In this video, we will learn that what is ligature in typography and how to use it in MS Word. Basically, a ligature is a typography feature that combines two or more letters into a single. Ligatures can be used to improve the appearance of the character that might visually clash when placed next to each other. They can also be used to affect character spacing. So the discretionary ligatures are designed to be ornament and not specifically designed for readability. They are not common in use. However, text usually borrows some of their elements as extent like this sophisticated touch I have shown here. So how you can apply in the MS Word? For example, you want to apply this ligature effect on this word sentence. First, you need to select the sentence and then go to the font area and click on this arrow. And also, you can press Ctrl D and then this screen will pop up. And then you go to the advanced and here you can see that the ligatures. You need to click on the drop down menu and here you can see that historical and discretionary ligatures. You need to click on that and here you can see that the ligatures have been applied on the certain text. You just need to click on that. Okay, and here you can see the ligature has been applied on the MS Word. So make sure and keep in mind that the ligature is only for the ornamental purpose, not for the readability. So I'm sure you have liked the video. If you like the video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.